Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to open up YouTube in desktop mode on your Chrome browser, on your iPhone or Android phone. Really easy and simple to do. So all you guys have to do is pop open Google Chrome, open that up, and then just go to youtube.com, and you'll notice it'll just bring you to this mobile website of youtube.com, not the full version. So the benefits of going into desktop mode is just there's tons of things that you could do more in desktop mode, like going to YouTube Studio and seeing detailed analytics of your stuff. But anyhow, I'll show you guys how to open it up. All you simply need to do is just click on the three dots in the bottom right corner when you're on the iPhone here, and then just scroll down and you'll see an option to request desktop site. You just want to click on that, and you'll notice it'll just reload here, and the site will look exactly like it does on your computer, and you can zoom in stuff to make things bigger. Then you could head over to things like this and go to Studio, and everything will be exactly how it would be on a desktop computer. So yeah, really easy to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.